Alright, what's up guys? Starting off a video here. This is my current drift car. I'll show you a little video. Got a 1JZ EVTI, FDF, some big wheels, Ford rear end, cool kit. But yeah, I sold it. So we're starting off a new build now. This is where I'm starting. We got an S14. Go take a look. Here she is. It is filthy. Interior is kind of pulled out. And there's no front end. No engine. It's just a shell right now. So we're gonna get into that build soon. We got a lot of stuff coming. Let's go take a look what we got. So we got an Origin Raceline kit, Type 3 fenders, and a Type 2 hood. Front bumper's at my brother's, and the hood will be in January. But tonight we're gonna go pick up a cage for it, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna pick up a donor S13 with the SR in it that I'm gonna steal parts from and then sell the rest. Pretty much brand new subframe I'm gonna put in it. Gonna go over this car completely and probably do a video for each thing. So the interior on this car is pretty clean. Let's take a look. It's missing the dash and stuff. I pulled it out because I want to clean up the wiring and stuff and maybe relocate the fuse box under the dash. Here it is. Dash is pretty clean. We got a thrash seat for it. Door cards are pretty nice. The main thing is space. Don't have a lot of space, otherwise I would keep both cars. Alright, so we got the cage. That's all there is to it. Now we're pulling the engine out of the new car to get the SR out of the yard and in the garage. Alright, so we got the parts car here. Little man's cutting. We took off everything valuable. This is what it's looking like. We got tons of parts. Alright guys, we got Robbie's car loaded up, ready to scrap. We're stopping at Will's house to grab more stuff, and then we pretty much just took everything off the car that anyone would possibly want and just selling it all, so that's it. That's it.
Hey, is that Robbie's car? Hey, whose car is that? Get him out. Oh my god. See you later, Robbie.
Back on the video here. Getting this thing ready to be picked up. I took off the kit because I might not make it on the trailer. Doing a oil change for the guy. Whatever, it's like 50 bucks. Wheel's gonna miss. Yeah, can't believe it's leaving, but This is the SR. Let's take a look at it. Got a few good parts on it. The cylinder manifold and turbo. Getting rid of this. I have a stock one. And yeah, can't wait to tear it down and see what the inside looks like and see what I need to buy. This is it. She's getting picked up. Definitely gonna miss it.